Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Thought I'd play around and show you how to do this. And I'm actually thinking I could do a little bit better. I might make a second video, but I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to take an ellipse and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate. And while holding down the Shift key, it'll grow it from the inside out, and you can get the thickness whatever you want. Now take a 2-point line, start moving, hold down the control button, hit P, put it in the center of the page. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it, or not mirror it, turn it 90 degrees. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now I'm going to move that over and I am going to nudge that back. Now what I'm going to do, and I'm going to play with it, but since it's a four-sided item, we can put it back in the center. I am going to Control D and duplicate it, and then I'm going to mirror it. And then I'm going to grab, if you look at the 4-point cross when you're on that node, it'll snap right to that node. That's really all we need, but we need to make the other side so we can have it symmetrical and be able to put it in the center of the page. So I made another duplicate, and I'm going to put it right there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to Control G to group, and I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page, because it won't work very good if you don't. Take the virtual segment delete key and delete that one line. Take your Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use a different color this time just to see what it looks like. And we're going to go blue, and that's the part we want, so I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm not going to delete these lines because I might want to use them later, or you might want to use them later. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my interactive fill tool and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put darkness, put black, maybe a little bit too much, so I'll slide that. Now I'm going to put a little white up here, so I'm going to grab another blue and sink it right there. Now I'm going to take a white and put it right in between them. But I wanted it at an angle, so I can take this right here and make it at an angle and make it come across. Now you could do a lot with this, really, spread these out, make the white a little bit bigger. And also you can go right here. I haven't done it in so long. Smooth it out, kind of make it look like that. Now, we don't have to group it together because it's just really one piece. But we're going to Control D to duplicate, Alternate C to put the rotation in the center of the page, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then Control D, Control D. And then that way it's always in the center of the page. If we take our black box, the black box to me just makes it really stand out. We're a little bit dark on the shadow end, but it's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas for the future, and thank you for watching.